How's it going, everybody? It's another awesome day here in Alaska. Today we are going fishing. Look at the mountains in the background. Isn't that a lot of cool? This right here is interesting. So they're gonna unhook the boat. They're gonna hook that to our boat, and then they're gonna push us into the water with that while we're on the boat, and then we just drive off. That sounds awesome. I'm excited. I'm fishing in Alaska. We are officially doing it. We're gonna go halibut fishing today. Not sure if we're gonna catch anything. I don't know. It's my first time. So join us for an awesome adventure. And there it is. They're putting the boat in the water. That's not the boat we're on. I'm standing on the boat we're on right now. Check that out. All right, that's what we're gonna be doing. This is cool. And we're floating. That's cool. And we're floating. Don't mind the smile. This is so cool. I'm in Alaska and we're gonna go fishing. Look at this. Nice calm day too. Sun's out. Sunglasses on. I guess we're going to over here somewhere, Twin Falls I think he said, and it's like 80 feet of water. We're gonna go get halibut, so let's get going. That was a fun boat ride. Look at that view. We are no longer near coast. About 130 feet to the bottom right here. I guess we're setting anchor and we're about to start fishing. Gotta get that mojo going. Oh, yeah.
For the GoPro, Ron.
Oh, no, he's still there.
Are we gonna have video on?
Yeah. What do you think? 30 pounds? It's heavier than the last one I had.
Right. Keep your expectations low and you won't be disappointed.
Oh, yeah.
Learned that 2 years ago.
Yeah,
ooh, yeah, that's taking mine, boy.
Oh.
It's a good one.
Oh, yeah.
Just keep that tension tight.
Cecil, you're not holding your mouth right.
Let me feel yours.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. There you go.
That wouldn't even tickle like Jeremiah.
Yeah. Just grab it. Yeah. That's the best.
Whoa, he's pulling hard.
Nice. Good sound. Saying 35. Come on.
Pull this barn door open. God. Oh, fuck.
Oh, real good.
Woo. Oh no, got kind of loose. Oh, I think he's gone.
No.
Or he's just tired.
Yeah.
Oh no, there.
You're tangled with my dad.
Am I?
Yeah. What the fuck? What? No fish? You're tangled with my dad. Oh. No, Ron had a fucking fish. Yeah, he did. No question about it. Alright,
Just had a really good tug. I've caught one so far. We threw it back. It was a little small, but we've caught 2 other ones we're keeping. It's going great. It's calm, man. Are you feeling all right? Yeah, that's all right. So it's going good. I'm gonna get back out there. We're baiting up right now. They said it's probably like a 35. I don't know. Biggest fish I've ever caught.
I see. I got color in the water. He's a bit deep, but he's down there.
Yep. They would remember 46. Is that what it is?
7. 47.
47 what? The length? Oh, yeah.
Look.
That's pretty good. Alright. Hang on. Move over here.
No, that's pretty small.
Yeah.
Alright, calm down.
Kind of what I expected.
Yeah, it's hard to get that. Hard to get the head off.
There you go. Come on. Oh, we got him up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this feels pretty small.
All I gotta do is sit the pole down. You see, I was on the phone. And
Oh, there he is. Alright, bring him in. Gotcha. Yep. Got it. Oh, shit. Another small one, huh? Check that out.
see now in California, those guys would give anything to get one like that.
Right. We give that for Washington too.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, we got two.
Oh, shit.
We got two first one
Just
right
take
now.
it down there, Ron.
Yep.
No rush.
Oh no, I'm just. There we go. All right.
All right.
That thing looks cool. Woo!
I told him, you know. Oh shit. You have a hamburger or not? Alright. Never mind, you need to get a rod in quickly because you're hitting.
Yeah, they're hitting hard.
I got a big one again. Yeah. In the hatch. Number 6.
I got color coming up. I saw him just drift off. There he is. I don't know why I can see him. He's a little bit deep still. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh, we got him weird. He's like. Oh.
Seafood juice.
Oh, snag.
Yep.
keep him.
All right, bring it in.
That's a big
Yeah, watch out, dude.
Yep. No!
Well,
Man. Hey, look at that. That's 2 for 2 today.
Use the hook.
Jeez, well, let's get back down.
All right. I got you.
You got one. Good one. Oh, it's not that big. You got one? Yeah. It's little. It's nice.
All right.
It's a fish.
It's a fish at least, right?
Don't do that. Don't do that. Now.
Well, we are done fishing for the day. Here we go. Quick peek in there. Oh God, it's heavy. We caught 7 halibut between all of us. Come to Alaska, go fishing. You got to do it. That was so cool. We still have the boat ride back, but ooh, that smells like fish. But we're having halibut tacos tonight. I snagged like a really big one when we first got here in the first hour, and it had the pole completely bent. The GoPro battery died. I was just like, oh, and then the fish got off the line. I mean, we had the whole U-shaped bend on it. It was gonna be a big one, but it was awesome. I'm gonna feel it tomorrow in my arm for sure. We gotta come back. But we got to come back and do like king salmon or something, because if halibut fishing is this much fun, I can only imagine what everything else is like here. But we're pulling in the anchor right now. We're about 8 miles off the coast over there. We actually got to go way over there. I can't even point to the camera correctly, but it was amazing. The clouds are now rolling in. It was a sunny day. Mountains in the background looking majestic. It was I cannot use words how awesome fishing in Alaska was, and I'm so happy my family was able to take me out and do this. I totally forgot to record loading of the boat. So you just rush the boat into your ramp. It was crazy. It was, maybe next time I'll get it on film. I totally forgot to film that. The boat going onto the, because that was cool. And you want to make sure the weight is even on each side of the boat, because once you get on there, it's on there. They pull you right out. So we're gonna get back to the house and start getting fish ready. It's gonna be a late dinner. Oh yeah. Yeah. But before we go, can we just appreciate this view? Even with the clouds rolling in, so nice out here. So we were right here in the water. They pushed the ramp down, and then, or your trailer down, and then you rush your boat into it at a certain speed. You don't want to go too slow. It's definitely a skill thing. Glad I did not have to do it. But look at that mountain out there. That just seals today's fishing. We got 7 halibut. We got some cleaning to do. We need to get back. All right, we're bringing the halibut down now. We just got back to the place. As you can see, it's a pretty good size one right there. There's still 3 more coming. We did get 7.
I know it looks good.
You guys want all your skin?
Yeah. No, go inside. Come on.
You want to try, Jay?
Hi, Jay.
Fish, charter fish, and
So you cut right down the spine, right?
That's a fat one.
Yeah, it is fat.
Ooh.
And then find the bone right here, which is right here. We're gonna follow the cheek and then go right up to that.
Good job, Maya. Look at that fillet he did. Perfect.
And then just slowly, just make sure you stay right on top of the rib bones.
Oh, Allie.
Yep.
That's not him. You're okay, Bill. Bill. You're okay.
I made cookies. I made white chocolate and chocolate chip. You guys gotta take some of those out to your cabin, okay?
Okay.
I made like 2 batches.
I already saw them.
You saw the cookies? Should have had some.
Go overboard.
They
Small
look
plate of
good.
nachos.
I just didn't
Small
want
plate
them.
I had some
Perfect.
nachos.
That's it right there.
There's a lot of cheese on
I don't know. A small plate of nachos is pretty big.
there. So that's pretty good.
Cool.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna show you. So look, that's
Damn.
pretty much almost
Man.
perfect.
As you can see, we have quite a bit of fish already. They're still filleting up a couple more. Still got 2 on the ground. That's a pretty good day. I thought it was a good day. Well, I think that's it for today for our awesome adventure of fishing in Alaska, getting some halibut. We got a lot, and I mean, that's a lot of weight. So we're going to get some freezer packs, a cooler. We're going to send that all home with us when we're done with the trip. It's great. If you can go fishing in Alaska, you should. So thanks everybody for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we'll probably make another trip to Alaska in the future to go for king salmon. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.